It's some good old bread food.
Yes, yes. Real deal, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, real deal.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, man, that is it. That is it.
Yeah, man. Nice. Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Number one, you know, number one.
Number one.
Number one in Canada. Tricknick Jerk Center.
Chicknick Jerk Center.
Yeah, number one in Canada.
Oh, yeah, some good real jerk chicken here.
This is the authentic way to use it.
Yes.
Move into the next grade.
What we have here, so now?
More chicken.
Gosh, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
That's how we do it, you know?
Yeah. So like how much of these chicken you go to for the day?
About 200.
200.
Yeah, 100 tip on the grill right now.
Guys, look at that. 100 pieces of chicken on the grill right now. Look how big this grill is.
Yeah.
Look. Look at guys.
Red hot, you know?
Yeah, man.
Red hot.
Yes, yes. Look at that, guys.